What if I told you this one with the fruit could replace your entire cleaning cabinet and save you hundreds of dollars? I'm holding soap nuts, and before you click away thinking this is a clickbait, let me show you something incredible. It all started with this shampoo recipe that I'm about to share, getting over 25 million views on my socials. But today I'm revealing all 7 recipes I use to clean everything in my home. Shampoo, hand soap, conditioner, washing up liquid, floor cleaner, sanitizer and laundry soap. All from this one natural ingredient as the base. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make each one, which one works best for beginners, and I'll even show you what to do with the leftover nut. So get ready, cause we are about to revolutionize your cleaning routine. First, let me introduce you to your new best friend. Soap nuts are also known and called soap berries. But these aren't actually nuts at all. They are fruit from a tree that's part of the lychee family and naturally contains saponin, which is nature's own soap compound. You can find over 13 different species worldwide, with most coming from Vietnam, India, China and Pakistan. If you don't live in those countries, you can order them online or find them at your local zero waste shop. I will put a link in the description if you struggle to find yours. Now, here's what you need to know before we start cooking. There are 2 main ways to prepare soap nuts: cold soaking and boiling. Then also a third one we will see at the end for our laundry detergent. But today we are focusing on the boiling method because it releases more of the cleaning power and it's quicker. So let's start with my various shampoos. First off, I didn't reinvent the wheel. This is an ancient ayurvedic formula I discovered during my natural medicine studies. And it's very simple. You will need soap nuts as a base, shikakai, a natural cleanser, amla, which strengthens the hair, neem leaves for scalp health, and fenugreek seeds to add shine. Add all ingredients to a pot with water and bring it to a boil. When it foams hard, reduce the heat and simmer for 25 minutes. Let it cool completely in the pot and strain through a cloth. Now transfer to a foam dispenser. Some people say it's harsh on the eyes, but I never had that problem. But everyone's different. This natural formula is great for me as it gives strength to the hair while cleaning it gently. For the conditioner, we are using a similar base to the shampoo, but with conditioning boosters: soap nuts, amla, neem leaves, rose petals, lavender and black tea. Boil the ingredients and let simmer. Then cool completely in the pot. For the final conditioner, we add coconut milk for deep conditioning, the strained base, apple cider vinegar to remove build-up, and patchouli oil for scalp health. Mix everything together, shake well, and you have a conditioner that leaves hair soft and manageable. I only brush them under the shower, and these two are my complete hair routine for the past 8 years. Now, for something simpler, a gentle hand soap using just the soap nuts and rosemary. For the base, add the soap nuts and rosemary to a pot with water. Bring to a boil, then simmer. Again, let cool completely in the pot. Strain through a fine sieve and transfer to a soap pump dispenser. I choose rosemary because it's naturally antibacterial and has a fresh scent that isn't overpowering. This base is so gentle you don't need to add anything else. Perfect for sensitive skin. Using the same soap nut and rosemary base, we're also creating a powerful sanitizer. This time, add baking soda to a spray bottle. Strain and add your cooled soap nut base. Add 5 to 10 drops of your essential oils. I used pine, tea tree, mint, lavender and lemon oil. Shake well before each use. You can of course use your favorite essential oils, but I pick pine and tea tree oil to give these serious antibacterial power, while the rest make it smell amazing. For our washing up liquid, we have a simple soap nuts base. Just boiled or soaked in water, now we are adding some serious grease fighting elements for our dishes. Start with the lemon juice, add white vinegar, 5 drops of each essential oil, and mix energetically. This cuts through grease better than most commercial dish soaps, and your hands will thank you for the gentle formula. Now for floors, we need a different base with extra cleaning power. This is good for tiles and stones, but I haven't tested on wood. And of course, is pet friendly. As base ingredients we have soap nuts, orange peels as a natural degreaser, lemon peels for the fresh scent and cleaning power, and star anise for the antibacterial properties. Bring all base ingredients to a boil, then simmer. Once more, cool and strain in your pot, and then in your bottle add the white vinegar first, then the strained base. And I also like to add a few drops of tea tree oil for extra antibacterial properties. This leaves the floor spotless without any chemical residue. Now, here's our final recipe, and let me tell you, it's the easiest one. Get your blender and start by blending the nuts. Then, add baking soda to it. Sieve once, then repeat the process in a final sieve. Blend and repeat again with the leftover bigger pieces. Transfer in a jar and use it as it is. I use it, it works and doesn't stain your fabric. If you prefer a more powerful one, you could make it in a liquid form with double the amount of soap nuts for concentration, essential oil for the scent. Your clothes come out clean and soft, plus no skin irritation. Sometimes I also add a bioenzyme to extend the shelf life, but I will make a separate video on how to make your bioenzyme, and let me know if you wanna see it. One more thing, don't waste the nuts. After straining, you could reuse them up to 5 times, drying them each time. But I like to scatter the used ones around my garden cause they naturally repel mosquitoes, and I need it in this country. So, here you have it, 7 completely natural cleaning products from one incredible ingredient. Before you go, you can grab my written recipes from my app and community. That's completely free when you engage with the other MENSCHs on the club. It's fun and you'll meet amazing people there. I will leave all the links in the description. Now, make your own, and until next time, peace!